after we had a leak in our dishwasher that caused some flooding in our house, I went to Lowe's to try to get them to come out, rebuild our island, and fix the flooring. And they said they wouldn't be able to do all the work. I'd have to hire a contractor outside, and it would take about 2 weeks. And without a kitchen sink and 3 kids, that just wasn't going to happen. So I called Creation Builders. They came out and they said they would give us a sink no matter what. We would always have a functioning sink in our house, which is really important to me. The work progress went really smoothly. We got to pick our granite, our flooring, and it all looks gorgeous, way better than we could have ever hoped. And I highly recommend. Gabriel and Ben came out to our house and they were very helpful. We were able to call, text them pretty much any time of day, and they responded to us, which was wonderful. And Vladi, who was also the foreman on the project, was wonderful. Every worker that came into our house was pleasant. They cleaned up after themselves. They finished when they said they were going to be done. And I couldn't recommend more or say greater things about Creation Builders.
Beautiful. Very nice. Thank you very much. Some great work over here. Complete remodel on the front, on the downstairs floor. Added some lights, whole new granite, plumbing, replaced the entire island. Also granite for the kitchen and the backsplash. Installed all the appliances. So Erica, are you very happy?
I'm very happy.
Very good.
Thanks.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.